Oh, yeah? What else? Meme. Hi. Oh, okay. Hey, yo, what's going on, fam? You know the vibes. Back with another vlog. Vlog. Who's that, Meme?
How do I reset my pin on Cash App?
Let me see. I can only know by looking at it. Oh, you got money.
I know, but you can't go out in public with money.
Change cash pin. Here you go. You remember your old one?
Yeah, no.
You don't?
No.
Let me see.
Forgot cash pin.
Oh, there you go. I think I know it though. What your old pin was? I think it was.
No.
I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Are we ready? Or?
No, I have to go in there.
Oh. So what do today's adventures bring us? Meme, what we got going on today? What we got going on? Okay. Well, we gotta go about 20 minutes out away from the house for mommy to take care of something. Then we're going to get breakfast. Say breakfast. Breakfast. Right, Mace? Right? It's the vibes. Oh, I can't do that because the phone's plugged up. I had a long day at work today. Wasn't the best night, but you know, we're gonna take the good for the good. Yep, the good for the good and say the bad for the bad. And call it a new day. Hi. So for those of you that don't know, I work for the Hershey Chocolate Factory in Virginia. I work 7 days a week, and I am actually the one that provides the coconut for the Almond Joys and Mounds. The particular factory I work at primarily makes Reese's products, but we also make the Almond Joys and Mounds. We're actually the only ones that make Almond Joys and Mounds. So anytime you're eating one, think of your boy. I'm the one that provided the coconut for it. And guess who's back? Say hi, mommy.
Hello.
How you feeling?
Tired.
Me too. You ready to go?
Yes.
All right. You ready, Meme? Good talk. What you doing? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Who's that? That's you? Stretch. Say mommy stretching. You wanna get some food? Some grub? You wanna walk with me?
Wait. Yes. It's so nappy back here. Don't let her go yet.
She looking at me. Is she looking at the cars?
Car.
Yeah.
Original.
Say car.
I want to get my ear pierced.
Say cars.
My ears and my nose now.
Car.
Turn around. There y'all go.
Say car. 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 Close enough. Okay. We'll go with that.
hold mommy hand? Come on, Mace.
It's a bag. All of us. Say hi. Say hi. Come on.
Back here. Is that okay?
Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you so much.
She'll be right with you, okay?
Thank you.
You want apple juice?
Good morning.
Get you all something to drink?
Ready to eat? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, Daddy's gonna get his plate.
Don't mind if I do.
Thank you. Thank you. Got a little buffet style going. I'll take some of this. Yes, sir. A little ham. Gotta have a little ham. Yeah. Yeah.
You don't like that. Hey. Whatever that was, it was nice.
Sure, eat your food.
Eat your food.
May I ask why you're recording? Just to catch her milestones?
Well, we make vlog videos.
Oh, that's cool.
And we just started our channel.
That's awesome. So that way y'all can edit it and upload it on
Exactly,
YouTube. That's
exactly.
cute.
Thanks.
You got a big old boogie in your nose. Sit up. Sit up with the food in your mouth. No, no. You got the same thing as me. The same thing. What are you doing? Eat these potatoes, girl. Some ketchup. I wash my hands as well.
You talk to the people while I'm gone?
What people? That's it. This is why you don't have children right now. Because look at her. Yeah. She just dropping food everywhere. Yeah. Watch this. Yummy? Say mama, mama. Say uh-uh. Uh-uh. She doesn't like to eat with a fork yet. She knows how to do it. She just doesn't like to eat with a fork yet. Here. That's soft. Yeah. I got me some French toast. It's about the best. And it do. That is nice. Here.
Do they have applesauce? Do they have applesauce?
I ain't go up there to get that. I gave her the apples that they had. She likes them.
Oh yeah? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? Daddy getting full. What did you just find? Out the depths of the sea.
So you guys take your time to start something.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, May. We have some nice food to try. All right, y'all gonna witness her try cottage cheese for the first time.
You like it?
Your conflicted names.
She likes it.
This kid likes everything. Why? I don't even like cottage cheese.
Oh, maybe not.
Here. Meme. Marie. Meme. Jigga 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 jigga. Pretty baby, 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 pretty baby. Oh baby, shake a booty, shake a booty.
Yeah. No.
Look at all the mesh.
She liked the ham. So what's your review of this place?
Last time that was a 10 out of 10. Right now, a 6 out of 10.
Womp womp.
It's because that lady ain't back there cooking. This shit lackluster. She touch your ass.
Give me some. Oh, you wanna play? Oh, you wanna what? Oh, you wanna what? Are you wanna?
For the lot, 12, listen to the
Kiss, don't kiss the tickle attack.
Why are you doing that? You get that from mommy, huh?
Y'all have a good one.
Thanks again. That was delicious. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, baby girl.
Thank you. Here, baby. Oh, you're heavy. I'm horrible at this, but no. We're not going back in there. Turn around, no man. Her diaper wet. I gotta change it. Go, man. Girl, close your eyes. Come on, let that rhythm get in. Pull that up. Tighten. And we're all set. See, my face got that peppery effect on TikTok. My face is clear, but it's just more like scarring and stuff that I have on my face. Pardon my dreads because it's been hard trying to find a hairstylist out here. These people do not want to make money, and apparently they don't like to do starter dreads on longer hair. If your hair is not like short, they're not trying to like really do your hair. As y'all can see, the new growth is real. Look at it. It is real. My hair is long, but it's not that long, so I'm not sure why. As to why we couldn't, just do my hair. But right now we're headed to a yard sale in Waynesboro. It's for a school, so we might find some stuff. Hopefully, I find some Cricut stuff or stuff to like make shirts and whatnot in resin. What do you look to find there?
Something for the house. Something to make it look cool. Dresser, side table.
I ain't gonna hold you. People with a decent amount of money live out here. Like I literally just went to go pick up my Cricut heat press from somebody. I bought it off the marketplace. Her house was nice, like very nice. Like there's like people out here, they have like decent living, So a lot of the time when they give away stuff, it's nice stuff. Where his parents used to live, they used to give away TVs and stuff. Because one time I saw it when I was driving. So yeah, we're having here.
See the books, man?
I have to go get the $10.
Okay, I got it. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Say what's up, guys?
Hey.
I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. So what's going on here? What is this?
So we're doing a yard sale for our cross country team for
Okay.
Waynesboro High School and K Collins Middle School. All proceeds go to the cross country team.
Nice. You both are in cross country?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what's up. Better than me. You won't catch me running down the street.
That works.
She has so many books.
Yeah.
Why are we doing this? We don't even have a bookshelf.
What's wrong with having? Hey, you can never run out of books.
We got like 1 million books.
Well, once you read all of them.
Pass them down, I guess.
Exactly.
All right, let's do inventory here.
4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books. 50 cents.
Mr. H, come on.
Hold on, let's make this even. We'll find one more.
Okay. He said, let's make this easy. I like the way you say it.
So it's at 4. Just give me 5 back, my boy.
Are you sure?
For sure.
You
It's
need
for a good cause.
Thank you.
Yeah, definitely.
Right. I would clean the fuck out of this and bring close to it. It's mainly just for your mom.
Who do we
That would
ask
be
for?
clutch.
I think we want to take the rocking chair. The thing is,
Do you have space?
right, the car that we're in, it can't fit.
We can keep it for you. Do you have another one to come and bring it? Perfect.
Yeah.
I have one exactly the same. This is not from us. I have one since when my kids were little.
Really?
I still keep it. I don't want to give it away. 'Cause it can last for a lifetime.
I'll give you this. So you know
That's
we'll
for
come
the
back.
other stuff, right?
That's for this. We paid for this
one.
already.
Okay,
Yeah.
Good.
All right.
Well, move it away.
All right. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Here. Who's that? Hi, everybody. I'm creating the vlog. There you go.
Mary.
What they out here doing to you, Melanie? What's going on, y'all? I didn't get the chance to end the vlog. I had to rush to work. But figured I'd make some kind of outro here. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another vlog very, very soon. I'm enjoying my break. See me in uniform here. Got the beard net, hair net, mask of course, safety glasses, helmet, well, bump cap. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be easy, be beautiful. Hakuna Matata.